Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Pokémon Go. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Pokémon Go and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.